इमेजिन एक ऐसी डिजीज जिसमें सिम्टम्स स्टार्ट होने के बाद सर्वाइवल ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है। नॉट कैंसर, नॉट इबोला, बट अ वायरस हाइडिंग साइलेंटली इनसाइड द बॉडी। रेबीज एक ऐसा वायरस जो वीक्स तक चुप रह सकता है और जब अटैक करता है इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज टू लेट। टुडे वी अनकवर द टेरिफाइंग ट्रूथ बिहाइंड द डेडलीस्ट वायरस एवर। Rabies is one of the very few diseases on earth with an almost 100% fatality rate after symptoms begin. जी हाँ, अगर सिम्टम्स स्टार्ट हो गए तो बचने के चांसेस ऑलमोस्ट जीरो होते हैं। एंड द स्कैरियस्ट पार्ट, यू मे नॉट इवन नो यू आर इन्फेक्टेड फॉर वीक्स, समटाइम्स इवन मंथ्स। एक छोटा सा बाइट, एक स्क्रैच या इन्फेक्टेड सलाइवा, एंड योर बॉडी बिकम्स अ टिकिंग टाइम बॉम्ब। व्हाट इज रेबीज? सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज रेबीज? रेबीज एक वायरल डिजीज है जो डायरेक्टली नर्वस सिस्टम और ब्रेन को अटैक करती है। ये वायरस यूजुअली स्प्रेड होता है इन्फेक्टेड एनिमल्स के बाइट या सलाइवा से, स्पेशली डॉग्स, बैट्स, फॉक्सेस एंड रकून्स। इंडिया और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में मोस्ट रेबीज केसेस डॉग बाइट्स की वजह से होते हैं। लेकिन डेंजर सिर्फ स्ट्रे डॉग से नहीं, बैट्स, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, इवन टाइनी अनोटिस्ड स्क्रैचेस कैन स्प्रेड द वायरस। रेबीज का वायरस बॉडी में एंटर करने के बाद तुरंत सिम्टम्स नहीं दिखाता। And that's what makes it terrifying, how it attacks the body, unlike many viruses that travel through blood. Rabies travels slowly, through your nerves. Imagine a silent intruder creeping inside your nervous system, step by step, moving toward your brain. जब वायरस ब्रेन तक पहुंचता है, severe inflammation start होती है. And once the brain is infected, the damage becomes catastrophic. Brain inflammation, nerve damage, loss of control, and eventually, death. This process can take weeks, sometimes months. But once symptoms appear, the virus has usually already won. Symptoms, early symptoms may look harmless. Fever, headache, weakness, body pain. इसलिए कई लोग initially इस disease को seriously नहीं लेते. But later, terrifying symptoms begin. Hallucinations, confusion, paralysis, aggression, muscle spasms, and one of the most horrifying symptoms, fear of water. Yes, rabies victims can become terrified of drinking water. क्यों? Because swallowing becomes extremely painful. Even the sight of water can trigger violent throat spasms. This condition is called hydrophobia. Victims may also experience panic, extreme anxiety, and loss of mental control. And in the final stages, coma, organ failure, and death. Why it's so deadly? Once symptoms start, survival is extremely rare. That's why rabies is considered one of the deadliest viruses ever. In medical history, very few people have survived symptomatic rabies. And even survival cases are extremely rare and controversial. Rabies doesn't just attack the body, it destroys the brain. And once the brain is severely damaged, modern medicine can do very little. That is why doctors worldwide say, prevention is the only real cure. Clap about prevention or safety, but here's the good news. Rabies is preventable, and this information can literally save lives. If you are bitten or scratched by an animal, do not ignore it. Check mark, immediately wash the wound with soap and water for at least 15 minutes. ये वायरस को रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है. Check mark, seek medical care immediately. Delay can be deadly. Check mark, get post-exposure vaccination. The rabies vaccine can save lives. If given before symptoms appear. Doctors may also give immunoglobulin injections for severe exposure. And remember, once symptoms start, vaccines usually cannot help. Clap aboard, general prevention, to stay safe from rabies. Check mark, vaccinate your pets regularly. Check mark, avoid stray or aggressive animals. Check mark, teach children not to approach unfamiliar animals. Awareness is protection, and prevention is survival. Rabies is deadly, but it is preventable. One small decision, one quick vaccine, can mean the difference between life and death. So stay aware, stay careful, act immediately, and stay protected. Because sometimes, if this video shocked you, share it with your friends and family. You might save someone's life. And subscribe for more real medical mysteries, deadly diseases, and science explained cinematically. Knowledge can save life.